Hi lovers, did you love this seafood okra? Okay, now come with me. Let me show you how to make this amazing seafood okra. So I went to the market to get my seafood food stuff. So I went to the seafood site. So there's this women in the market that normally, pick these crabs for us, pick them for us so that it's be easy for us to cook. So I got that for 2K. Then I shopped my okra. I got okra for 1,000 naira. So I did show the video where I also got prawns. I got prawns for 2.5. Then this is where we move to where I get my fresh fish. So this fish particularly, I got it for 10,000 naira, and the small ones they sold it for me for 5,000. So they helped me to cut it, wash the prawns for me, and all that. Hi, my lovers. Welcome to my channel, Barbecue Vera's Kitchen. Like and subscribe. Now, before we get them, make sure you wash all your food items, make them clean. So in a pot, get your oil to allow it to hot a little bit, then add your crabs, put in your fresh blended pepper, your crayfish, your prawns, then add your 2 cubes of seasoning, stir them very well, then add water, allow it to boil for some time before you add in your washed snail. Make sure you wash the snail very well to avoid slimy. Then you add in your salt and you stir. Then this is my parboiled fish already, so I divided it into two and then add some into the food I'm cooking. So after this is parboiled fish, just as I said. So you can see them, most of them are already scattered. So after adding your fish, just stir it a little bit. Make sure they don't break, don't like stir, like just a little bit. Then add your washed dry fish, your stockfish. So just put them once and then allow them to boil for some time. Then put in your sliced okra. You must make them very big. Now watch out the soup. Would you prefer this to your family? Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. I love you. Mwah.